Welcome to our comprehensive guide to finding the best camera drone for your aerial photography adventures. Today, we'll be diving deep into the world of drones, comparing 3 top contenders to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're a professional photographer, videographer, or simply an enthusiast looking to capture stunning aerial footage, we've got you covered. Let's start with the DJI Mini 4 Pro, a true marvel of engineering in the world of ultralight drones. Weighing in at just 249 grams, this compact drone packs a serious punch with its pro-level features. Equipped with a 4K camera capable of shooting at an impressive 100 frames per second or 60 frames per second in HDR, the Mini 4 Pro delivers stunningly clear and smooth footage every time. With a 48-megapixel camera resolution, you can capture every detail with precision and clarity. But what truly sets the Mini 4 Pro apart is its advanced collision sensors, which provide all-round protection from obstacles and ensure safe and smooth flights. Whether you're navigating through tight spaces or flying in challenging conditions, you can trust the Mini 4 Pro to keep you out of harm's way. In addition to its collision sensors, the Mini 4 Pro boasts a range of intelligent flight modes, including orbiting and waypoint programmable flights. With DJI's updated O4 radio system, you can enjoy reliable connectivity and control at distances of up to 20 kilometers. And let's not forget about the Mini 4 Pro's sleek and compact design, which makes it incredibly portable and easy to take with you wherever you go. Whether you're hiking in the mountains or exploring urban landscapes, the Mini 4 Pro is your perfect companion. Next up, we have the DJI Air3, a dual-camera drone that offers unparalleled versatility and performance. With its innovative design and advanced features, the Air3 is a force to be reckoned with in the world of aerial photography. Featuring dual 48-megapixel cameras with switchable zoom, the Air3 gives you the creative freedom to capture both wide-angle landscapes and close-up shots with ease. With 4K video recording at 60 frames per second and a battery life of up to 46 minutes, you'll never miss a moment of the action. But what really sets the Air3 apart is its intelligent flight modes and advanced AI capabilities. Whether you're tracking a moving subject or navigating through complex environments, the Air3's AI algorithms ensure smooth and precise flight performance every time. Last but not least, we have the HoverAir X1, a revolutionary drone that offers hands-free operation and advanced subject tracking. With its unique design and smart features, the X1 is a game-changer in the world of consumer drones. Featuring a lightweight and foldable design, the X1 is incredibly portable and easy to take with you on all your adventures. But don't let its small size fool you. The X1 packs a powerful punch with its advanced AI capabilities and automatic follow mode. Whether you're hiking, biking, or simply enjoying outdoor activities, the X1 follows you every step of the way, capturing stunning aerial footage without any manual intervention. With its safety cage design and intelligent obstacle avoidance system, you can fly with confidence knowing that the X1 will keep you safe and secure. Now that we've explored the key features and capabilities of each drone, let's take a closer look at how they stack up against each other. As you can see, each drone offers unique strengths and advantages, from the Mini 4 Pro's ultra-lightweight design and advanced collision sensors to the Air3's dual camera system and intelligent flight modes to the X1's hands-free operation and automatic follow mode. Ultimately, the best camera drone for you will depend on your specific needs, preferences, and budget. Whether you're a professional photographer looking for the ultimate tool for capturing aerial footage, or an enthusiast looking for a fun and easy-to-use drone for recreational use, there's a perfect drone out there waiting for you. So there you have it, our comprehensive guide to finding the best camera drone for your needs. We hope this video has helped you narrow down your options and find the perfect drone for your next adventure. Happy flying!